Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Thursday, February 20th, 2020, okay? And the signal I have to share for you is for GBPCAD, okay? Great British Pound versus Canadian Dollar. And if we look right here on the 1 hour chart, okay, we see that we have a pretty strong signal to buy, but it's riding sideways right now. There's a strong possibility that it could go down further, okay? We look on the 4 hour chart, we show a strong signal to buy, but if we look on the daily, okay, we don't see any signal to buy, okay? So I feel that long term this is definitely going to be dropping. Now the question is it going to continue to drop now? Or is it going to retrace and go back up? I feel that it's going to go back up a ways and then come down even further. If you look right here, it hit this strong level of support, came back up, and then came down to a lower level of support, and then went back up again, okay? And then it finally came back down again to another lower level of support. So each level of support has been broken, and this one will be broken as well, eventually. So what I think for now is it's going to go up, a few hundred pips, I don't know, and then it's going to retrace and come back down. Okay, how far up will it go? We don't know. But what we can do, okay, is this is probably the most effective way. Draw a trend line coming from this point. I would just draw from this point down like that. And that marks your level of resistance, okay? And what's going to happen is when this finally breaks, I'll wait about 2 candles for this to break outside of this trend line. And then I'll buy. And then I'm going to wait for the opposite red arrow and then close the trade, okay? And then once I get the red arrow, I'll wait for another sell, wait for the perfect entry as well, with the sell trade. But for right now, all we need to worry about is waiting for this trend line to break. You can also, if you want, draw a Fibonacci from the last red arrow coming down to the bottom of this candle where the blue arrow is, right? Okay, and you could put a buy stop pin in order just slightly above this 23.6 level, and then put a take profit a little bit below the 38.2 level. Okay, and that's very, very effective. That way you can set and forget. I would not worry about the price going this high, but put a simple pin in order, take profit here, and if it breaks this level, it's going to go up to the next level, which is right here. Okay, so all we have to do is just come over here to new order, click on new order, and click on pin in order right here for type of order, and then where it says type of order, choose buy stop. Okay, and then for at price right here, we're just going to pick something random, but 1.71. I'm going to put 100. Okay, that's even number. And then for take profit, I'm going to put 1.71 300. Okay, that'll give me probably about 200 pips in profit. If we look right here on the chart, it should say 200 pips in profit, $150. So you have a buy, stop, pin order, and TP for take profit. So this is a very, very effective strategy. Now you could go for a smaller take profit if you want, but this is my basic strategy, okay? This way, if you use this Fibonacci and you set a pin in order, you can do pretty much like set and forget, okay? So that's my free daily signal for today. GBPCAD. Let me know how you trade this, okay? Let me know if you have any questions at all about how to trade this. If you use a pin in order, or if you just draw a trend line and wait, okay? Let me know how you trade this and give me some feedback, okay? There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. Please contact me there. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group. You can join that as well, okay? You can post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, and this way myself or other traders can assist you, okay? So with that said, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.